This is a highly effective and profitable 1-minute scalping strategy. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. Besides being used for 1-minute scalping, this scalping strategy also works well on 5-minute and 15-minute time frames. In this example, we will use this scalping strategy for forex trading with the GBP-USD pair on a 1-minute chart. However, you can also use this scalping strategy on other assets like gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, or others. So, make sure you stay with this video until the end. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. This scalping strategy will use two free indicators from Tradingview that are very powerful and easy to use, even if you are a beginner trader. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to Tradingview. In this example, we will use this scalping strategy for forex trading. Now, set the pair to GBP-USD. Then set the time frame to 1 minute. Next, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type in Best Cloud All MA. Then select Best Cloud All MA by daveatt. After that, make some adjustments to the Best Cloud All MA indicator. Go to the Settings tab of the Best Cloud All MA indicator. In the Input tab, change the length of moving average 1 to 20. Then change the length of moving average 2 to 45. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, adjust the thickness of MA1 and MA2 to your preference. Then uncheck the Trend State Bar coloring. Next, uncheck the shapes. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, this Best Cloud All MA indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. When the MA cloud is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus will be to find the best points to place buy orders. On the other hand, when the MA cloud is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus will be to find the best points to place sell orders. Now, let's add the second indicator, which will be used to guide you in placing orders in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in RSI or Relative Strength Index. Then, make some adjustments to the RSI indicator. Go to the Settings tab of the RSI indicator. In the Input tab, change the RSI length to 8. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck some unnecessary options and leave only the RSI, RSI upper band, and RSI lower band checked. After that, change the color of the RSI, RSI upper band, and RSI lower band to your preference. Next, change the level of the RSI upper band to 60. Then, change the level of the RSI lower band to 40. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. Before we use this RSI indicator, add two lines that will be used as signal filters on the indicator. Go to the Line tab and add a horizontal line to the RSI indicator. Set the coordinate of the horizontal line to 75. Then, add another horizontal line. Go to the Line tab and add a horizontal line to the RSI indicator. Set the coordinate of the horizontal line to 25. Next, change the color of the two horizontal lines to your preference. Now your indicators are ready to be used. To get buy and sell signals using this indicator, follow these steps. If in a bullish trend, wait for the RSI line to reach the level between 26 and 39, then, wait for the signal line to cross above the 40 level. If this condition is met, it is a valid buy signal. However, ensure that during this process, the RSI signal line does not cross below the 25 level. For sell signals, follow these steps. If in a bearish trend, wait for the RSI line to reach the level between 61 and 74. Then, wait for the signal line to cross below the 60 level. If this condition is met, it is a valid sell signal. However, ensure that during this process, the RSI signal line does not cross above the 75 level. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this 1-minute scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If the cloud from the best cloud all MA indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend, and your focus should be on finding the best point to place a buy order. Then wait for the RSI signal line to return to the level between 39 and 26. After that, wait for the RSI signal line to cross above the 40 level. If the RSI signal line drops below the 25 level, cancel the buy setup. Ensure the trend is still bullish, and the candlestick formed is a bullish. If all conditions are met, you can place an order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss slightly below the last swing low point. Set the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for the first target and 1 to 2 for the second target. How to place a sell order. If the cloud from the best cloud all MA indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend, and your focus should be on finding the best point to place a sell order. Then wait for the RSI signal line to return to the level between 61 and 74. After that, wait for the RSI signal line to cross below the 60 level. If the RSI signal line rises above the 75 level, cancel the sell setup. Ensure the trend is still bearish, and the candlestick formed is a bearish. If all conditions are met, you can place an order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place a stop loss slightly above the last swing high point. Set the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for the first target and 1 to 2 for the second target. Always ensure to maintain your money management and trading psychology because no strategy will guarantee a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something new today. That's it for today's discussion, and see you in the next video.